Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And as we can see, we got our invalidation for this impulse toward the downside. So our scenario from yesterday is still of course working as a very overshooting wave B toward the downside, and we're moving now toward the upside. Of course, was probably the 1.618 of course as a target. But be careful, this might turn, of course, into a running flat, and we see continuation toward the downside later on. So basically, we are aiming right now on this blue box, 85K.8 or 84K.6. These are our targets, and that because we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Your wave 4 has invalidated this, of course, impulse toward the downside, and now currently we see a rebound for higher prices. Now be careful, of course, from this running flat, that it might turn, of course, into a correction for your wave, 4 here in the magenta. But of course, this correction still need time. Yeah, as we said before, we need time, of course, and I believe that this, of course, rebound here as ABC is your 3 wave, and of course it can overshoot, right, as a 4 wave C, and of course as a recover it can overshoot, turning this into 3 corrective wave, then 3 waves down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 4 higher prices to reach the right time, and then moving again toward the downside for a wave 5, probably, of course, to be re-estimated, of course, in that case. Now, if you take a look, of course, on KGT here on the 3-minute chart, we can see, of course, the CVD line is moving toward the upside, while the price as well is moving for higher with a buy signal. But be careful, of course, with some signals here, weaker signals can still appear, of course, as a bearish in conversions. What you would like to see, of course, that the price action take the high here of your wave 1, right, in case we are, or of your wave A, B, and a C. You would like to see, of course, is this this price taking the high as a confirmation for a bullish scenario here, that it might unfold, of course, for higher prices. And basically, it's still, of course, possible, guys, that we have bottomed here for a wave Y. Don't forget this wave Y, which is as well can be a wave 4 here. However, if we take a closer look also on the daily here, we can see that, if our CME gap has been closed, well, not totally yet. It's not totally closed yet, but it can be, of course, a very, very impressive rebound, toward the upside. We're gonna estimate the scenario, as we mentioned on the KGT. If we take this high, meaning, of course, a bullish scenario might unfold, of course, for higher prices. So here, let's say a bullish possibility higher, we can get a higher possibility for a bullish scenario, but be careful with it, of course. 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can still be corrective as well, to be re-estimated in this area once we reach this target as well, in case we reach it. But first of all, of course, we have a priority for these targets, as running flat. We have to be careful from it, that it might turn into a running flat as an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and A, B, and a C finishing in the middle of your running flat. And that means, of course, a rush for bearish market again. So we have to be careful with it, to be re-estimated. So let's see what's gonna happen for Bitcoin. That was it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.